Teams have been scouting in preparation for this, and I'm sure that all of the student team representatives gathered here are prepared with their list of picks. Before we can start the playoff tournament, we need to create the 8 three-team alliances. Now let's watch this short video which explains the alliance selection process.
The top 8 teams move into the team captain positions of the playoff alliances. The number 1 team can select any team at the event to join their alliance. If the selected team declines the invitation, then another team is chosen until one accepts. Suppose Alliance 2 selects Alliance 4, but Alliance 4 declines and Alliance 2 selects another team which accepts. It's now Alliance 3's turn, but the same rule applies. Alliance 4 is not available, so Alliance 3 has to select another team from the available pool. And the next alliance can select any available team that hasn't declined an invitation. This process continues through Alliance 8. Notice that a previously unavailable team has become an alliance captain. At this point, any remaining team that has declined an invitation is not eligible to participate in the playoffs because they can't be selected. Alliance 8 now picks their 3rd team member from the remaining available teams. Alliance 7 picks their 3rd team member, and so on, all the way back to the number 1 alliance. All alliances are now full, so alliance selection is complete. But the next several teams need to be prepared to serve as backup teams if one of the selected teams can no longer compete. Listen for an announcement for how many teams will be asked to serve as backups. And be sure to let the head referee know if your team accepts that responsibility. Let's start our alliance selection.
All right, just to recap, there's one rule during alliance selection. If a team declines an invitation to be selected, they may not be selected by any other alliance. However, if the declining team becomes an alliance captain, they can still pick other teams. This is where we're going to see strategies playing out as we go through the alliance selection process. Each alliance captain is looking to make their strongest possible alliance to play out the rest of the tournament. And the 8 alliances are going to compete in the playoff tournament, which is a best 2 out of 3 competition. Now, Jake's going to help me bring on the teams. And let's give a round of applause for our team representatives as they come around the front of the field for alliance selections. As we call our alliance captains onto the field, you're going to go, Jake is going to show you where to stand, and we'll move up through the ranks, introduce our 1 through 8 alliances, and then begin the selection process. Please welcome our number 8 seed. Congratulations, team number 3512.
That's Spartatronics from Orcutt Academy Charter High School in Orcutt.
Please welcome our number 7 seed. Congratulations, team 5274.
That's Wolverines from Rosemont High School in Sacramento.
Our number 6 seed, congratulations to team 2073.
It's EagleForce from Pleasant Grove High School in Elk Grove.
To our number 5 seed, congratulations to team number 1671.
Buchanan Birdbrains from Buchanan High School in Clovis.
The number 4 seed, 3978.
That's Duncan Dynamics from Duncan Polytech High School in Fresno.
Our number 3 seed, 5940.
Brad from Design Tech High School in Redwood City.
The number 2 seed, team 973.
Bravots from Atascadero High School in Atascadero.
And finally, our number 1 seed, congratulations to team 1323.
Madtown Robotics from Madera High School in Madera. This team was founded in 2004 and it's their 19th season. Congratulations.
Okay, and now our number 1 seed is going to make their first pick. Which team would you like to invite to join your alliance?
Team 1323 would like to invite Team 973 to join our alliance.
That's
Team-
the Greybots.
Team 973 graciously accepts.
Congratulations. We'll now move everybody up and let's invite our new number 8 alliance captain, 2543.
That's Titanbots from Eastlake High School in Chula Vista.
Team 5940 Bread would like to invite Team 3970 to join us in the bakery.
3970, do you want to accept or would you like to form your own alliance?
Team 3970 graciously accepts.
All right, let's bring on our new number 8 alliance captain, 3257.
That's Vortex from 4-H in Roseville, California.
1671, who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
The Birds would like to soar to new heights with Team 2073.
Tony 73.
Team 2073 would like to soar with you.
Congratulations. Let's have everybody move up. We're going to bring in our new number 8 seed, 11 ranked 7539.
That is Elevate from RoboFun Lab Private Limited and Arubi Amambi International School in Mumbai, India.
Okay, 5274, who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
Team 5274 would like to invite Team 3512 Spartantronics to join our alliance.
3512. Would you like to join their alliance or would you like to form your own?
Team 3512 graciously accepts.
Excellent. And we move up again. Now we bring on our number 12 seed, the new number 8 alliance captain, 6619.
That's Gravitex from Livermore High School in Livermore.
All right, 2543, who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
Team 2543 would like to invite Team 3255 to join our alliance.
3255.
That's the Super Nerds from San Pasquale High School in Escondido.
3255 graciously accepts.
On to our number 6 alliance captain, 3257. Who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
Team 3257 has never been chosen for the finals before or been an alliance captain, so we would like to invite another team that has not had the chance to be in the finals before. We would like to invite Team 253 to join our alliance.
Team 253.
That's Bobobots from Mills High School in Millbrae.
It would be Team 253 Cup of Tea to join your alliance.
All right, 7539. Who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
Team 7539 would like to invite Team 2485 Warlords to join our alliance.
2485.
That's Warlords from Francis Parker in San Diego.
Team 2485 graciously accepts your offer.
All right, 6619, your 8th seed alliance captain. Who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
On behalf of Annika Armstrong, our T lead, Team 6619 would like to invite 4010 to our alliance.
B10.
That's Peppertech Nautilus from the Tecnológico de Monterrey Campus Ciudad de Maquillo in Talabad, Distrito Federal, Mexico.
gracefully accept your alliance.
All right, we're going to give them just a moment to figure out who they want to pick for their second pick. And then after number 8 seed, we'll make our way all the way back up to the first seed to complete our alliance selection process. And they are ready to make their second pick. Who would you like to invite?
Team 6619 and
4010.
would like to choose or invite Team 253 to our alliance.
Team 253 has already been selected. Available teams are listed on the screen.
Team 6619 and
4010.
would like to select Team 115 to our alliance.
Team 115.
That's MVRT from Monte Vista High School in Cupertino.
Team 115 graciously accepts.
There we have it, our number 8 alliance. Now on to our number 7 alliance, captained by 7539. Do you know who you would like to invite to finish out your alliance?
Team 7539 and
Team 2485.
would like to pick Team 4135 to join our alliance.
4135.
That's the Iron Patriots from Fred C. Beyer High School in Modesto.
Team 4135 gratefully accepts.
On to our number 6 alliance, 3257 and 253. Who would you like to invite to join their alliance?
Could all the teams who have never been picked for finals please raise their hand for our selection?
Raise them high, folks. Raise them high. And call out your numbers as well.
Team 3257
And 253.
would like to invite Team 6657 to join our alliance.
Team 6657.
That's Arborbotics from University Prep in Visalia.
Team 6657 graciously accepts.
There we have it, our number 6 alliance. They just need a moment to confirm who their second pick is going to be.
Team 2543 and
3255.
would like to invite Team 100 to join our alliance.
100.
That's the Wild Hats from Woodside High School in Woodside.
Team 100 graciously accepts.
There we have it, our number 5 alliance. On to number 4, 5274 and 3512. Who would you like to invite? All right, they need just a little bit more time.
Just a reminder, during lunch, the field is open for pictures with your robot and your team. Take advantage of that if you want a picture of your team with your robot on the field to send out to potential sponsors or current sponsors about what you did here this weekend.
And make sure to share those pictures you take on social media using the hashtag CVR2022. I hear there's a chance to win raffle prizes if you use it.
Oh, raffle prizes. Look at that. Speaking of raffle prizes, they have it on the board up there.
Are you ready?
Team 5274
And Team 3512.
would like to pick Team 3598 to join our team.
3598.
That's SES Thematic Eliminators from the School of Engineering and Science in Sacramento.
Team 3598 graciously accepts.
All right, 1671 and 2073. Who would you like to invite to join your alliance?
Team 1671
And Team 2073.
would like to invite Team 1280.
1280.
That's the Raging Seabiscuits from San Ramon Valley High School in Danville.
Team 1280 graciously accepts.
Number 2 alliance. Who would you like to invite to join?
Team 5940 Bread
And Team 3970 Duncan Dynamics.
would like to invite Team 1266 to join our alliance.
1266.
That's the Devil Duckies from Canyon Hills High School in San Diego.
Team 1266 graciously accepts.
There you have it, our number 2. Now, there's one spot left in the tournament. After our number 1 seed makes their final selection, there is still a chance for the next 8? Where's my head ref? 4. For the next 4 highest ranking unselected teams to compete. If a robot becomes non-functional during the tournament, each alliance has one opportunity to substitute in a robot from the backup pool. Alliances do not get to select which backup team comes into their alliance. The backup teams will come in by ranking order, starting with the highest ranked team. We'll need to make sure that representatives from those backup teams confirm your participation in the playoffs with the head referee standing on the end of the field with their hand raised. And now it's time to find out who alliance number 1 would like to invite as a member of their alliance.
Team 1323 and
Team 973.
would like to invite Team 5817 to join our alliance.
5817.
That's Unirex from Sanger High School in Sanger.
Team 5817 will graciously stomp alongside you.
There you have it. I've just been told all teams who were none selected are going to be backups. So please make sure you confirm with the referee when their hand raised at the end of the field whether you are able to perform backup duties. With that being said, this looks like it's going to be a really exciting tournament. I'd like to invite our 1 through 4 alliance to turn around and look this way. I'd like to invite our 5 through 8 alliances turn around and look at this side of the field. This is who you're going to be playing as we enter the playoff tournament after our lunch break. If you weren't selected for playoffs, make sure you pick an alliance to cheer on this afternoon. Now, we need a drive team member from the alliance captain team to please stay here on the field to meet with the head referee to review playoff rules. If your alliance selection representative is not a drive team member, we will allow you to swap out for a drive team member. We're going to let alliances strategize and prepare for the playoff tournament, which will be starting at 1:30 this afternoon, with closing awards to be held immediately following the playoff tournament. We'll see you back here to get things started in just a bit. Don't forget to bring your greatest professionalism. Thanks, everyone.